For the House, Chair recognizes the gentleman from Marshall, Representative Smith, for purpose to seek the floor.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I seek the floor for a point of personal privilege.
You are in order. It is that time of day.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Good afternoon, Madam Speaker. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of the House. On Thursday, February 28, 2019, an article was published by Ryan J. Foley about the payout of $4.15 million in two sexual harassment claims made against the then director of the Iowa Housing Authority, or Iowa Finance Authority. There were several points in that article that I think are significant. One, the article called the amount unprecedented. Two, the article raised issue about the fact that this action took place 5 days before the general election of 2018. Three, the article said that the threat of lawsuit would call into question the longtime association between Director Jameson and the governor. Four, the approval came from the governor's office just 5 days before the general election. Five, Attorney General Tom Miller approved the settlements. Six, Paige Fiedler, the attorney representing one of the victims, received a payment of $785,569, while one of the other attorneys received considerably less. Seven, Ms. Fiedler raised issue about the governor's statements that the governor never knew anything about Director Jameson's inappropriate behavior and questioned that given their friendship. 8, Ms. Fiedler said that she asked for the settlement and considered filing a lawsuit when she did because of concern that Fred Hubbell would win the governor's race and that he might not be as willing to settle the case. 9, further, Ms. Fiedler had advised that she was intending on completing extensive discovery efforts into the matter should this go to court. And finally, number 10, the article written by Ryan J. Foley refers to this matter as a scandal. Now we know that the governor's office gave authority to settle these lawsuits on November 1st, just days before the election. The question is, why? Was it to stop a bad headline about the lawsuit just days before a close election? Or was it because the governor did not want to testify under oath during the discovery process about her friend, David Jameson? Did anyone in the governor's office make decisions related to this settlement based on politics or the upcoming election? How many Iowans will lose out on affordable housing options because of the $4.5 million that settlement that was paid out in this housing, out of the housing fund, $4.1 million? As millions of taxpayer dollars have been paid out due to sexual harassments and hostile work environments over these past several years, who should have to pay for these claims? Madam Speaker, $4.1 million is a lot of money. It is a lot of money that belongs to the taxpayers of Iowa, money that they have entrusted to the entire government of this state, not just to the executive branch, not just to the judicial branch, but to the legislative branch as well. We are a co-equal branch of government, and I think it is within our purview and within our duty to review these matters in detail. I hope that you will do just that. Thank you, Madam Speaker.